Business One database, you would like to execute the query. So for the simple one, I would like to hard code the one. I may be choosing the my AU company. And in the future, we can make this as the dynamic one from the solve request incoming request there. So for the query statement, we would like to make a very simple one as this: select doc doc entry, card code, card name, doc day, and doc total from OR/DR. You can using OR and DR, whatever you want here. I just would like to make a very simple one here, and just save it. This one, and then just close this one, and then as a result, the red line 10 and green here. Now we can we almost finished the processing, but not finished yet because the final transformation, we just trigger the circle statement. We haven't do any final transformation to transform it to the final SOAP response there. So moving forward, let's step by step. So the next thing it is we need to do some XML by step to implement the final transformation, but I'm not doing here now. I would like to show you how can you see the code results from Business One first. Okay, so the first one, we need to prepare something to trigger the call. So we need to prepare something like this. That's the this is what we're using to trigger for the debugging. Remember, we defined the web service method, the identifier. The identification method using the root tag get doc list. So we need to prepare an XML file with the root tag get doc list to trigger our web service interface there. So okay, the next thing is we need to prepare them for the test inbound message. To prepare the test inbound message, I need to create an XML file, and I'm using the XML file as the XML editor. So whatever you use, any kind of XML editor. So I'm going to create an XML file for the test inbound message, and then you just have one tag. As the root tag would be the get doc list. And then we just need to having something like this, something like this. So I just going back to my XML file, and then after I create the XML file for the test as the text inbound message, and I need to upload the save into B1if as well. So I can do the same thing with the XML file and save it by I just removed all of the sample here, just delete all of them, and then just create a one open. I would like to open my step package for the while, and then I switch to URL. I would like to open the all of this package, and then things by copying the server address from my B1if framework, and do the dummies, just copy this one, and then put it into the XML file, and then as the server address, and then the username password as the B1i admin, and then my B1 admin password. I just would like to remember my password, and just click browse. And before you do that, you need to enable the web dev in the B1 Exploiter as full web dev. Okay, and here's the order of the web dev, and then I would like to open this one for design. This is our workspace scenario designs. Okay, just choosing this one. I think I should add the folder to that and add the URL. And what I need to do is add the URL, and then B1i admin is not open but add the I add the whole folder, add the whole design folder, scenario design, and just add the external web folder. Yeah, add the external web folder. Yeah, this is the right one. This is the right one. I should add the web folder, and for that, because I would like to open the whole folder. Okay, I say yes. Store my username and password, and then you will see the order of the B1if package would be available here. This is the package for the this is the web service for the mobile scenario for the Business One iPhone integration. And then as you can see, we also have one. That's the one we created. This is the BIU, the step where I have, and this the package I created by ourselves. And then now the next thing I would like to create the XML file and store the XML file, put it here. So I just need to create a new one, and then I'm using the XML file, and then the XML file is a very simple one without DDT. And then this is what I have one as the get doc list. That's very simple one, very simple one. And that's the one I would like to having as the test just for debugging, in the B1 ISM. And then I would like to save this one, and then I would like to save to the get doc list folder here, and then I would like to using the name and switch to the URL, and then I would like to put it to the same folder, structure here, design here, and then the my BIU get doc list. Okay, this one, and then I would like to having a name as the test in message. This for debugging, this for testing by message.xml. Okay, that's the full name for my file here. Okay, just save it. Alright, if I refresh this one, I will see there was a new file for me. Okay, that's the one I having for me now. Now we are ready for the debugging, for the testing here. If okay, that's the processing here. We're going to the debugging here. You will open the processing, and then you will see there is a button for the debugging for testing here. For the testing, we just need to choosing the where's the sender, where is the web service sender there, and then where's the database user you would like to be having, and then remember the test inbound XML just now we created. That's the one we would like to, because we would like to simulate the SOAP request. So we need to provide the body of the SOAP request for that. So we're using test inbound message get doc list with the get doc list, and just run it, and then we click debug, and then we will find there was a the execution sequence here one by one here, and then we can see the result, exactly result one by one. This is the one by one here.